Section 9, worthy of a chat. Brief notes, they are brief. It's probably the most important thing to do if you don't find anything clear on your form, but remember, too much information for a technician is too much information. It just tends to confuse. So dot points are good here. Standardized, internationally recognized terms and things that can really draw the picture for the technician, and of course they'll contact you through the web portal should there be any queries or questions with regard to what they understand as what you want. Brief notes here. Of course, you've got a lovely little picture of the foot that tends to tell us where you want things in general, and in this section you can then refer into further additional brief notes with more anatomical terms here. That's brief notes.